Not being able to go outside upsets me more than I can say, and I'm terrified our hiding place will be discovered and that we'll be shot. Memories mean more to me than dresses. Earning happiness means doing good and working, not speculating and being lazy. Laziness may look inviting, but only work gives you true satisfaction. Paper is more patient than man. Ordinary people simply don't know what books mean to us. Shut up here. Reading, learning, and the radio are our amusements. Misfortunes never come singly. I know what I want. I have a goal, an opinion. I have a religion and love. Let me be myself and then I am satisfied. I know that I'm a woman with inward strength and plenty of courage. The weak die out and the strong will survive, and will live on forever. People who give will never be poor. I feel the suffering of millions, and yet, when I look up at the sky, I somehow feel that everything will change for the better, that this cruelty too shall end, that peace and tranquility will return once more. There's plenty of room for everyone in the world. Enough money, riches, and beauty for all to share. God has made enough for everyone, so let us all begin then by sharing it fairly. Those who have courage and faith shall never perish in misery. The only way to truly know a person is to argue with them. For when they argue in full swing, then they reveal their true character. The best remedy for those who are afraid, lonely or unhappy is to go outside. The best remedy for those who are afraid, lonely or unhappy is to go outside.